Now, 13th question. In figure 12.31, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Now look at this one. Figure is 12.31. This one. One quadrant is there. Inside that one square is there. Okay. Now OA is equal to 20 centimeter. It is given. Find the area of the shaded region. So how will you find the area of shaded region? Area of the quadrant, it is quadrant only, so area of quadrant minus area of the square. To find the area of the quadrant we need r, radius, but that is not given. Okay, so first of all we have to find out r, so that just draw the diagonal of the square. So it is given a square. So here it is 20 centimeter, this also 20 centimeter. So what will be OB? 20 square plus 20 square. Okay, that from that OB is the radius you will get. Okay, so after finding radius you can find out easily the quadrant, area of the quadrant. Then area of the shaded portion will be area of quadrant minus area of the square. Okay, so let us do that one. Now, so this is the figure given there. So here 20 centimeter, here also 20 centimeter. So first OB are to find out. OB is equal to OB, that is equal to R, that is equal to root of 20 square plus 20 square. Why? Because OAB is a right angle triangle. For the square every angle is 90 degree. So this angle also 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse we are getting. OB square will be equal to 20 square plus 20 square. So 20 square is 400. So 400 plus 400, that is equal to root of 800, or you can write that 2 into 400. Root of 400 is 20 and root 2. Okay, so R is equal to 20 root 2 you will get. Now area of shaded portion, how will you get? Area of shaded portion will be equal to 13th question. Shaded portion is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. Okay, area of quadrant formula is pi r square theta by 360, where r is equal to 20 root 2 and theta is equal to 90, minus area of square, that is equal to 20 into 20. Side of the square is 20. So pi value is it is given 3.14 you have to use. So let us use 3.14 into r is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 into 90 by 360 minus 400. Okay, 20 into 20, 400. Now 90 and 360 you can cancel 4 times. 1, 5 you can 4 you can cancel with this one. So root 2 into root 2, 2 you will get. So 2 into 5, 10. Okay, So 3.14 into 10, then into 20 minus 400. So here you will get 200 multiplied by 3.14 into 200, or 314 100 से multiply करेगा, minus 400 you can take, that is 314 multiplied by 2, 628 minus 400, that is equal to 228 centimeter square you will get. Okay, so area of this portion will be 228 square centimeter. One, AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 and 7 and center O. If AOB, angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region. So now look at this book, this one. This is a figure given. It is given AB and CD are the arcs of the concentric circle with same center O with radius 7 and 21. So you are asked to find out this area of this shaded portion. So how will you find out the area of this one? Area of this big sector minus area of small sector. Okay, area of big sector minus area of big sector means this whole it will come, minus area of the small sector will give you area of the shaded portion, where capital R is equal to 21 and small r is equal to 7. So let us do that one. Capital R is equal to 21 centimeter and small r is equal to 7 centimeter. Area of shaded portion that is equal to area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector. Okay, so let us write pi capital R square theta by 360 minus pi small r square theta by 360, where theta is equal to 30, it is given theta 30 degree. So pi then theta by 360, that is common there. So here also it is not mentioned which value you have to take. So 22 by 7 you can take, 22 by 7, 21 into 21 into 30 by 360 minus 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 30 by 360. So whatever common you can take outside, 22 by 7 is common there, then 30 by 360 also common there. What will remain? 21 square minus 7 square. There we can do a square minus b square form. It will be easy for the cutting. So 30 and 360 you can cancel if you want, otherwise afterwards you can do 30 by 360. Now I am using a square minus b square form, a plus b and a minus b. So 28 into 14, a plus b, that 21 plus 7, 28, 21 minus 7, 14. Okay, now you can easily cut this one. 12, 7 you can cancel, 2. Again this 2 you can cancel. 6. Then if you want this one you can cancel. 11. 3 will come. Now 11 into 28 by 3 you will get. 28 into 11. 308 by 3. Divide 1. 0. Then 2. 6, 6, like that it will come. Okay, otherwise keep it like that. So that much centimeter square it will come. So how you find out the area of large shaded portion is equal to area of larger sector minus area smaller sector. Using that property we have solved this one. 15th one. In figure 12.33, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of shaded region. Look at this one. This is a figure given. ABC, that is a triangle, then one quadrant is given, and along that BC, one center is there, O. Then one semicircle is drawn. You are asked to find out the area of this shaded portion only. So how will you get that one? First find out this much area, that is area of the quadrant minus area of this triangle. Now after getting this one, find out the whole area of this semicircle, that is this much, BOC. Let us mark that one R. Here one point if you are marking P, that is okay. Now so when you are taking this one, area of the semicircle minus this portion will give you the area of the shaded portion. Okay, so let us first find out area of, so let me, I mark the P and R here. Remaining everything is marked on the textbook itself. You can mark that one P or R, or if you want you can give another name. Also mark here one center O. Okay, so let me write that area of, first I am going to find out this much area, that is BOCP. Okay, area of BOCP. Why I am writing these all? That means you don't have any confusion which one I am going to do. So area, that one will be area of quadrant. Quadrant, it is clear I think, which is the quadrant ABCP. Okay, that is the quadrant minus area of the triangle ABC. So area of the quadrant, R radius is same only. Okay, that is the side of the triangle also, and as it is a quadrant, theta is equal to 90 degree. So pi r square theta by 360 minus, it is triangle and it is 90 degree. So area will be half of 14 into 14 itself. So pi value it is given, okay, not, so it will be 22 by 7 you can take. R is equal to 14, again theta equal to 90 by 360. 14 into 14 we know 196. 196 divided by 2. 96 divided by 2 98 it will come. You can cancel this one, 4. 14 and 7 you can cancel, 2. One more time, 2 it will come, 11. So here 14 into 11 minus 98. So 14 into 11, 154 minus 98, 6, then 4. So it is 56 centimeter square you are getting. That is, this much portion is 56 centimeter square. Now you want to find out the area of the semicircle. To get the area of semicircle, we need to find out a radius of the semicircle. What will be the radius of semicircle? How will you get that one? Because see this one, BC is the diameter of the semicircle. BC is the diameter of the semicircle, this one. Okay, so BC, how will you get? As ABC is a right angle triangle, BC is the hypotenuse. So 14 square plus 14 square, root of that one will give you BC. So diameter, let us write diameter of semicircle, BC is equal to root of 14 square plus 14 square. So 14 square is 196 plus 196, or you can write 14 into 2. No, 14 into 2, 196 into 2, sorry, 14 into 2, 196 into 2, root of 196 into 2, that is 14 root 2 you will get. Okay, so radius is equal to radius of semicircle equal to 14 by root 2, 14 root 2 by 2, that is 7 root 2 you will get. Okay, now find out the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle will be pi r square by 2. Semicircle, area of circle divided by 2. So it will be pi value 22 by 7, 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 by 2. 1 7 you can cancel, root 2 into root 2 2, that you can cancel with this 2. So 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square you will get. Now area of shaded portion, area of shaded portion will be equal to 154 minus this one, that is 56. 154 minus 56, 8, 4, 98 centimeter square you will get. Okay, so that area of this portion will be equal to 98 centimeter square. 16th one, calculate the area of designed region in figure 12.34 common between the two quadrants of the circle of radius 8 centimeter each. Now look at this one, how we are going to do that one. This is a figure given there. So first we will take the quadrant. That is, quadrant means this much portion it will be covered, this much portion. Okay, now in the middle of this design, once triangle you can draw. No, one diagonal, if when you are drawing, it will be a right angle triangle. So when you are finding out half of the shaded portion will be equal to the quadrant area of the quadrant minus area of this triangle you will get. Okay, now that is half portion only you will get. So to get the full portion you have to multiply it with 2. Okay, so let us draw that one. So this portion, so here we are drawing a let us name that one A B C D. Okay, first let us mark this one R. First we are how will you find out? First we will find out the area of this quadrant, that is this much portion, whole portion. Now from that the area of this triangle ABD you will subtract. So what you will get? This much portion's area you will get. Understood? Now this portion and this portion will be same, so double of that one and you take, you will get the area of shaded portion. Okay, now let us take that one, area of mark that one as O. Area of half of shaded portion you can write, otherwise you have to give the name and write the things. So area of half of shaded portion will be equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So radius it is given 8 centimeter. Okay, so side also 8 centimeter, radius also 8 centimeter. So pi r square theta by 360, where r is equal to 8 centimeter minus it is a right angle triangle, so half base into altitude, that is 8 into 8 you can take, pi value 22 by 7, then r 8 into 8 into 90 by 360 minus 8 4 32 it will get 90 and 360 you can cancel, 4 2, so 22 into 16 by 7 minus 32 you will get 16 into 22, 16 twos are 357 52 divided by 7 it will get, so 5, then 0 into 22 times, again 6 8 times, so 50.28 you can write, minus 32, so 50.28 minus 32, 8 and 1, so 18.28 you will get. Double of that one you have to take, area of shaded portion will be 2 times this one, that is 18.28 multiplied by 2. So 36.56 centimeter square you are getting.